Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark. Today we'll be drawing a gingerbread man. All you need for this drawing is a sheet of paper, a pencil, ink pen, and some markers. Links to these products are down in the description. Now remember, when you're drawing this with me and following along, you can pause it whenever you need a little extra time. And then once you're ready to continue, just hit that play button and continue. Don't forget to watch the end of the video when I color in this gingerbread man. It turns out really cool and you don't want to miss it. All right, let's begin. So I'm going to draw this circular shape right up here. And we'll do something like that. We'll draw a smiley face in here. So we'll do this round smiley face like that. And then we'll outline it just like this, because this is using like icing sugar and it's going to be thick. Then we'll do two little dots for the eyes, like that. And then we're going to put a Santa hat on top. So we'll come over top of the eyes with a little curve just above the eyes. And then we're going to round these corners, and then we're going to kind of come up a little bit. And then we're going to join those together. Okay, and then we're going to kind of keep this line going up to the left, and then up over here we're going to round this shape, and then we're going to come over here and extend this over to the side of the head, and then on the side where the ear would be, we're going to draw a little circular shape for the end of our hat, and we'll come and connect there. Okay, the next thing we'll do is I'm going to leave a little bit of a space, and I'm going to draw the body. So we're going to come out to the left, and then we're going to hook this in for one of the legs. And then on this side, we're going to come down somewhere about here, and then we're going to come and curve this over to the right. Now I'm going to stop here for a second just to make sure, and we're going to go and do the arms. So from our head, we're going to come down, and right where this connection is here, we're going to come over to the left like that, and this will be the hand, and then we're going to come up and meet back up somewhere around here. It doesn't matter if your line's a little bit longer or shorter. And then on this side, the head's going to kind of come down, and then we're going to round this corner a little bit, and then this arm's going to be up like this. This one's like waving, saying, "Hey guys, how you doing?" And then we're going to round this and meet back like that. Okay, the next thing we'll do is we're going to draw these legs coming up. So we're going to come up right about here, and then down, following this curve like that, and then we can kind of join these together. Awesome. Now I think my hand is got a little bit too wide there, so I'm just going to thin this out a little bit like that, and then we can erase. We'll erase all these in a little bit. Okay, now I'll do two little circles right about here. And then for the waist, we're going to do some icing that's like this at the waist, like that. Then we can do some icing on each of the hands, and one on this side. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thickness of our gingerbread man. So I'm going to follow the edge of the cookie shape. I'm going to fade that off there. Then we're going to come down here. I'm just going to follow this all the way down like this. Now I'm going to do a couple more icing shapes down here for the legs. And we'll do one more on this side. Like that. Okay, and then the leg will curve and come up. And then we'll start up here, and we'll come down, and we'll follow the edge, and then we'll do the same down here. And then the last spot we'll do it is the hand. We'll do it right here. We'll come up, and we're just going to end right about there. And then actually we can go up and do it for the head as well. So we'll come like this, and then we'll hook over like that. All right, the next thing I'll do is I'm going to grab my ink pen and outline this. So you can use a Sharpie or whatever kind of black ink pen that you have. And you may want to test it out, make sure that it doesn't bleed or anything like that when you start erasing or using any of your markers over top of it. Next, I'm going to grab myself an eraser and gently erase all of those unwanted pencil lines. And this will just make for a cleaner drawing to color over top of. And the last step is to color in our gingerbread. Well, there you go, guys. I think this gingerbread man turned out really cool. I hope yours did too. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. All right, until the next one, I'll see you guys then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.